Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need to have WhatsApp first, of course, and after that, you will need just to go to your YouTube and then start sharing your WhatsApp status. So basically here, you will need to go to YouTube and then you will need to go to Shorts. So basically here from Shorts, you will be able to edit everything or to start sharing your Shorts. So basically you will need to go to share and after clicking the share button, you will need just to go to WhatsApp. So as you can see here, we will find the WhatsApp icon. And also you can do the same for any other social media or any sharing platform. So basically now we are going to choose WhatsApp, and from here we can see this list. And as you can see on the top, we will find my status. I'm just going to click on my status like this. Then you will need just to click on next. And after that, you will have it as follow, and you will need just to click on next, or you can also add some caption if you would like. Now, I'm just going to click on send, and now we have it as our status. So basically, if I go to the updates and go to view updates, or I'm just going to click on my status, as you can see now, we will find my status here. And now you can have your YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status. So basically, those are the steps on how you can use your YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status. Thank you for watching and see you next time.